Hello everyone, myself Poonam Soni, Assistant Teacher of Dayamayi Mata School, Surendranagar. Dayamayi Mata School considered as one of the best school in Surendranagar. Recently, school has completed its 15th anniversary. After nourishing 15 years of talent, Dayamayi continue to be the cornerstone of our community. As Dayamayi enter its next 50 years, we are looking forward even greater achievement. Our school reopened after 20 days of Diwali vacation on 18th November 2024. Like bees to the honey, the student returned to the school after Diwali, drawn to the sweet nectar of knowledge. Our school student filled with excitement after festive Diwali break, returned to their classroom eager to learn and grow. The school has implemented Zumba program every Wednesday to enhance the physical fitness and health of the student. Zumba classes provide fun way for our children to exercise and improve their coordination. Students from all the academic level actively engage in the Zumba class together and enjoy their energetic dance routine. Following the Diwali break, the student returned to the more comfortable learning environment. Senior secondary enjoy the benefit of AC classroom, allowing them to focus on their studies in cool and quiet environment. These AC classrooms are specifically designed for students to enhance their learning experience. One effective method our school employs to make a student to learn the multiplication table is that when one teacher leaves the class and another teacher is yet to come, in the kid use the time to recitate the table loud out. The monitor of the class led this activity and actually a very effective way for them to learn and the use of the short period of time. At our school, we believe in the importance of holistic development of our student. That's why for each class has a day dedicated to a special assembly led by their teachers. These assemblies are designed to impart knowledge and inspire students with positive message that help them to succeed in life. As a part of ongoing construction, we are excited to introduce a new feature that promote both academic growth and student well-being. We built comfortable benches in the shade of lush trees, creating an inviting space students to read, relax and appreciate the nature surrounding. On November 23rd, our school held a first semester result and parents-teachers meeting. On this occasion, students asked their teachers several questions and resolved their queries. Students actively participate in the question answer session with their teachers. Here are some glimpses of student-teacher conversation.
Ma'am, in second semester, I have noticed a recent change in our school that now we have two separate buildings here. Why it is so?
Yes, Mahi, good observation. Now in our school we have two main buildings. We brought this change to ensure a complete learning atmosphere among the students. Now we have one separate building for our senior students, that is for higher secondary and secondary students, as they have to give board exam. Fully they have to focus only on studies. So any of our school activities should not disturb them. So that we have given a separate building with well qualified, experienced teachers, AC classrooms and a full-time PT teachers over there, so that we can bring a good academic result and also discipline among the students. And another building we have kept only for primary and upper primary students.
And we are planning our Christmas celebration with old age people and specially able children. Why it is so?
Yeah, so if we will include this especially disabled children, we will try to provide them the stage and to show their talents in spite of their physical disabilities, and to invite the old age people. It's bring to little joy in their life and get their blessings for this festival. Thank you.
Start.
Ma'am, can you please tell us why this was the Rangoli competition held for parents instead of students?
When parents participate in any program now, then it creates a feeling of family.
it feels that yes, we are all together, and parents also feel valued. And you know that when parents were participating in any program, the children feel so excitement and happy, isn't it? When children were happy, improve their academics also. And like the student of Dayamayi, the parents of Dayamayi were also very talented. So we just want to give them platform to show their talent, isn't it?
Ma'am, we have given our first SEM exam out of 40 marks, but we received our result out of 100 marks. Can you please tell us how you calculated?
Yes, you were rightly said that you have received your result out of 100 marks. The answer of this question already given in your handbook, page number 53. Then also I will clear your doubts. In this 100 mark, your class test mark, FA mark and also internal mark are added. That is why you received your result out of 100. Okay.
That's all about November month event. Stay tuned for upcoming event. Thank you.